so much carbon fiber. Stay tuned for more. You're not gonna wanna miss this. Alright guys, so I just called YRC Freight because they didn't call me and let me know that I should be expecting delivery today. What do I hear outside? That doesn't say YRC Freight, it says Penske, but that might be YRC Freight. You're with YRC?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay guys, so we're coming back here. Oh, I can't wait. The driver asked that I not get him in the video, which is fine by me, but I will get these packages. Oh, the box is so big, it's just, you can see it over the vehicle. Oh, dang.
Hey, we're done with those doors tomorrow.
Okay, awesome.
Okay,
So maybe
all
just
weekend.
tomorrow night. Okay, cool. Thanks, Boris. Okay guys, I think I just said I'm really excited about this, but I am really freaking excited about this. So, get ready for it. Here it goes. Okay, so pause the video here. Comment below what you think this is. Now, continued. So you guys guessed it. No, actually none of you guessed it because you didn't even know. Full carbon fiber front end. Now to answer a question that's probably in your mind right now. No, I'm not painting any of it. It's going to be fully exposed carbon fiber hood, front bumper, fenders. Okay, so there are going to be a lot of you who are probably hating on my choice, but Honey Badger don't care. This is my build, not yours. So you can get out my face. But for those who are liking it, give this video a thumbs up. For those who aren't, give it a thumbs down. That's what I was going for. But yeah, so the first thing I've noticed is the carbon weaves are not the same. This carbon weave is like a thicker weave, and this one is a different weave pattern. I cannot get over this hood. Like it's so smooth. Jose likes it. Don't you, Jose? No. He sounds super enthusiastic about this. Right? He's just not looking forward to drilling holes in the fender, bumper, hood, and everything else that has to have holes drilled in it because they don't put holes in them from the factory. But yeah, man, this thing is sick. So I almost completely forgot. I didn't update you guys from the last GTR video till now. We did a lot of work behind the scenes. Well, Jose and Julian did a lot of work behind the scenes the night that they got burritos. So yeah, I'll show you what I can of this, but you can pretty much just see it right there. Front bumper support and like all the little cowls and this whole top thing up here were all installed. The only thing left to do is we found that bracket the other day, so that needs to get put up in there. And this intercooler over here doesn't have the top, like that plastic piece. It doesn't have the top when it broke off. And Nissan doesn't have it because it's on back order for like 2 months or some crap. So I'm trying to find it, but I am talking to a subscriber over in Australia that may have the parts for this and maybe sending them. Not sure though. But yeah, like, it is so close to at least being running. It's not close to being out on the road driving, because you got to figure out this whole front end carbon fiber action, like hood pins and everything. And then I still have to install these little buggers. So in one of the first videos, a lot of you guys said that I was missing these, so I got some paddle shifters. And then after that, can come in here. Yeah, I haven't been in here in forever. So I'm pretty sure the paddle shifters just kind of bolt in right there somewhere. And then I don't know what the heck, like, someone tell me, what is this? What are these for? Are these for the paddle shifters? Because they don't have any things plugged into them. So am I missing like another adapter, bracket, something or other? Oh yeah. And then I got this. It's an overflow tank for the radiator up front to replace that ugly plastic one. And I've been trying to find this wheel. So like, look how sick this carbon fiber weave is. Right? Like, isn't that insane? I say that, but there's like a Roy or Ray Takamura. Ray with an E. I don't even know if you guys understand like how excited I am to drive this car. It is like procrastination station has come to figuring this thing out and ordering all the parts, and I'm not made of money, so been having to wait and do other jobs in between and everything, but it is so close. But that's okay, because in between this GTR rebuild, and the Skyline, the two of them you guys are gonna love. And that goes to yet another point. So a lot of you noticed on the Skyline build part 1 video that I wasn't the one filming or editing, because it was a lot better production value. And that being said, I am in the process of looking for and hiring a videographer and editor. So if you guys do like the outsider perspective videoing and editing, let me know that below as well. I'm probably still going to do like vlog style talking like this, because I know you guys just love it. But like that, this GTR video is done. And I'm just going to show you a little bit of sneak peek on what we're doing for the Skyline. So here's one of the 5-lug spindle hub assemblies. And it's got crappy lower ball joints. So I'm going to have Jose chop these out. And now that they're out, this is an example. Well, this is one of the new ones that's going in there. But we're having to go through all that stuff to get it out. And then these goodies came. So these are the, not using that side, because remember that the passenger side, so the left side, is going to be that intake duct, but these will be the clear ones for the driver's side. So one of those will be used. And then I'll probably sell that one or raffle it off or, I don't know, something. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I appreciate all the support from you OGs, you newbies, you people that hug trees. Shout out to Oregon. But enjoy the rest of your whatever time, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, kill! And I got some straight up mega ADD going on. So I'm gonna come over here and test drive the G, because it is finally done and ready to rip up the streets. Alright, so this camera mount may fall off on this test drive, but we're just gonna go take it around the block.